Happy Diwali to everyone. Hope your Diwali is going great. We are starting live. Hi Divya.
Hi,
Happy
Sarita.
Happy Diwali. So
Wish
good to
you,
see you.
thank you. Wish you, me, everyone watching us happy Diwali.
Yes. So how is it going on for you, Diwali?
You can know better.
I know it's a time of festivities, going to relatives and decorating the
Yes.
home, and food and this and that. But still, you took out the time to
So
make this happen.
my
Thank you so much.
that is my honor, my privilege, as I said before, to share the same screen as you. And thank you so much. Festivals like kabhi na kabhi to aate hai na.
That's true. That's true.
Yes.
And thank you. Thank
And conducting this live in the aura of happiness is just
That's
blissful.
that's true. That's true. So today you're working or you're it's a holiday for
I
you?
am off. Diwali holidays.
Diwali holiday. Great. So so people have joined us. Let's see who has joined. Oh, Arun has joined. Hi, Arun. Happy Diwali to you too. And okay, so let's go and let me introduce you, Divya. First of all, so Dr. Divya is a devoted mother to a 7-year-old girl, and happily married since 9 years, and she's also a dedicated general practitioner and safety physician in clinical research. Beyond her professional achievements, Dr. Divya is passionate about personal growth for wellness as a life coach, yoga trainer, and NLP practitioner, supporting those close to her with her skills. And outside of work and family, Dr. Divya finds joy in reading self help books, listening to music, spending time in nature, enjoying a good cup of coffee, getting creative with her daughter, and going on family. Yeah, getting creative with her
My favorite.
daughter and going on family treks and picnics. So, Divya, that is
Thank you so much.
yeah.
Wonderful.
Would you like
That's so much.
to add something here?
Nothing. Beyond all this, I'm a simple common human being trying to find happiness in everyday things and living a happy and blissful life every day, every minute of the day.
I, Absolutely. And I happened to interact with you, and whatever time I interacted with you was so uplifting and so joyous. I could feel your energies. You stay in Hyderabad, right? Where do you
I
live?
am from Hyderabad, but I am settled in Pune.
Pune. Okay, great. And welcome, Swati. Welcome, Pravesh. Thank you for being in this live and cheering us on Diwali Day. Happy Diwali to you too. So, without further ado, Divya, may I ask you the first question for the day?
Shoot.
Yeah. Uh, Divya, let's talk about. Can you share with us how you define work and life balance, and how do you find that balance between a demanding career, like of yours, and family, and all the things, that little joy that brings in your life? How do you balance all that, Divya?
So, frankly, Sarita, I think the term work-life balance itself should be changed to work-life harmony.
True.
There is nothing like work-life balance. It's not like 8 hours only you will work, 2 hours I'll have my family time, 1 hour I'll have my personal time. It's all it's a misconception, I believe.
Correct.
It's all about harmony. आज काम ज्यादा है तो काम पे focus करो. आज my child is having he's having her exams, so let me focus on that first. So it's about everyday priority, I guess. So how you prioritize your day. And
Hmm.
at the end of the year, it will all come into work-life balance only. But finding the harmony between everything is what defines work-life balance for me. There's nothing like work-life balance. Work-life harmony is what I follow. आज है, आज ये है, this is demanding, so we'll do this
Hmm.
first. वो demanding है तो वो demanding.
Hmm.
Yes.
That's true. That's true. That is such an important key word, that balance cannot be achieved. That's an impossible thing. What we can target towards is harmony. Like,
Exactly.
whatever is calling the day, like if it's your work, focus on that. If it's your family, focus on that. So harmony is what we got to achieve by the end of the day. Keep
Really,
harmony.
Sarita.
Yeah. Excellent word. And in today's fast-paced life, everyone's idea of success can look very different, Divya. For you, what does success mean, and where do you feel actual success lies?
See, belonging to a middle class Telugu family, my success I was taught, padho likho, kamao, gaadi, ghar kharido, you are successful. This is my childhood definition of success.
Hmm.
After studying, after earning, I realized success lies in have health, good mental health, because your brain can make you do wrong things and right things both. You should be always mindful, having good emotional health, good physical health, having good relationships, especially with your close family members and close friends.
Hmm.
And obviously, finance though is an important part of our life. And yes, my definition of success will be, सब में थोड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ा, सब में everything you should have. एक ही लेकर, एक ही आइसक्रीम खाकर नहीं हो जाएगा ना, पेट भर नहीं भर जाएगा. So
Well
it's
said.
all सब में एवरीथिंग यू शुड हैव गुड, अच्छे रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन करो, हेल्थ अच्छा बनाओ, खुद पे फोकस करो, अपनी सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट पे फोकस करो. वी हैव लिमिटेड टाइम ऑन अर्थ, सरिता. इतना टाइम में इतना कुछ है करने के लिए. व्हाई वेस्ट टाइम इन डूइंग अदर थिंग्स एंड लेट
Hmm.
अस फोकस ऑन दिस आवर जर्नी ना, आवर इम्प्रूवमेंट. और
True.
वो कहते हैं ना कि हमारा फेवरेट मेंटर यू सेज दिस कि तुम भगवान के पास जाओगे एंड भगवान तुमसे पूछेंगे कि तुमने क्या किया, तुम्हें मैंने सब कुछ दिया, तुमने क्या किया लाइफ के साथ,
Hmm.
तो मेरे पास क्या रहेगा. मैंने खाया पिया सो गया, हो गया, यही है मेरी
Hmm. Hmm.
लाइफ.
Hmm.
थोड़ी गॉसिप कर लिया, हो गया, यही है क्या लाइफ. तो
Hmm.
आई थिंक जो लिमिटेड टाइम है, वी डोंट नो हाउ मेनी इयर्स वी हैव, तो है कंट्रीब्यूट वॉट एवर, बी काइंड टू पीपल, हेल्प जितना हेल्प कर सकते हो है, फाइनेंशियली हेल्प कर सकते हो फाइनेंशियली करो, इमोशनली कर सकते हो इमोशनली करो, खाना दे
Hmm.
सकते हो, कुछ भी, वॉट एवर हेल्प इन द सेंस,
Hmm.
हेल्प पीपल एंड बी काइंड टू अदर्स एंड अपनी जर्नी पे फोकस करो, क्योंकि तुम्हारी सोल इवॉल्व हो जाएगी ना अगले लाइफ में.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. And as Bhargavi, welcome Bhargavi, welcome Shipra. As Bhargavi said, absolutely well said. I totally agree, Divya, that success, what you say is, it's a bit of everything. Focus on everything, all like, relationships. On top of it is the health. If health is there, mental, physical, spiritual, in whatever ways, everything else falls in place. And another keyword, what I'm taking from your answer is give it back, like focus on yourself and then give it back. The kindness is what is matters, and that's the crux of it.
It's
Success.
lacking, Sarita. Kindness is lacking. We need more angels like you and our tribe. Kindness is lacking in the world.
Thank you, Divya. That shows, they say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So yeah, you are full. Your heart is full of kindness, and the job you do of being a doctor, and yeah, people like you are the most needed in this platform called Earth plane. And at the end of the day, success is when you care about yourself, and you pour out that care to the world outside, and that is what the world should be, and then world will become beautiful. And god,
Yes,
god is there. That is what god is testing, I think, each one of us, how beautiful are you
exactly.
within and outside.
How you are behaving in your worst times. That is
Yes,
the best exam you can have in your life.
yes,
In your worst times, how you are behaving with people around you.
those are the testing times. That's true.
Testing time. Yes.
Excellent, excellent. Yeah, Shipra is saying you both are looking beautiful. Oh, thank you, Shipra.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you, Chitra.
another beautiful angel.
Yes.
Yeah. So the discussion is so heartfelt. Bhargavi is writing. Thank you,
Thank
absolutely.
you, Bhargavi.
Thank you for cheering, Shipra. So now moving on, yeah, let's talk about motherhood. Could you share your journey as a mother with and some of the most rewarding and also challenging moments along the way? Because I'm sure
Yes.
our audience would like to hear, like, be you being in your profession, and we as mothers, we all go through our moods, and how do you deal with it, your motherhood journey?
I think just because of motherhood, I am sitting in front of you. I am everything because of motherhood.
Mm.
The simple idea that my every move is being watched by my heart,
Mm.
that too, the heart is walking outside and the heart is seeing me, how I'm conducting my daily activities or how I'm reacting to things. That itself is so, it brings out a lot of change in me. Ki, no, my daughter is watching me. I'm reacting like this. So I got to change this. So my every move, my self-development journey itself started after motherhood. कि मेरे जो माइनसेस है, आई डोंट वांट टू सी, आई डोंट वांट देम टू गेट रेप्लिकेटेड. प्लसेस भले ही रेप्लिकेट हो जाए, I don't want my minus to be replicated. And you get to see your minuses only when you have a child.
Yeah.
They see you and they question you. Ki, you said like this, now why you are doing like this? So it puts you into, ऐसे ignore नहीं कर सकते. Children are, gods. They're like living, no, they can ask कि ये आपने क्यों किया? आपने ऐसे बोला था, तो ऐसे क्यों किया? So I think, yes, this entire motherhood is a changing. It has changed me completely, health-wise. I started taking care of my health only after my pregnancy and delivery. Before that, I used to take granted for my health. Ki, I have a good health. No need to take care of my health. No, my strength is important. I got to have a good stamina, health, and wellness, and everything. Even emotional health comes after childhood, after this motherhood journey.
Yeah. So well put, Divya. That shows what kind of a mother you are. Excellent. I like the bit that you said that we don't preach our children and they listen. You usually by default we try to preach them ऐसे नहीं करने का, वैसे नहीं करने का, and you have nailed it. Like children actually grow through observing, and we are their role models, and they do
True.
just follow that. And you have nailed.
Just to interrupt in between, I do my meditation.
Huh.
Then she sees me and she'll go inside her room and she will start doing some meditation. I will not even interfere with her, whatever she's doing. But whatever I do, she will do. I'm reading, she will go and read. I'm doing something, she will go and do the same thing what I'm doing. So for her, I am the role model till a certain age. उसके बाद she will have other role models. तो जितना time मेरे पास है, I think I should be a good role model.
Beautiful. Simply, it is simply put and beautiful put, and you have nailed it as you said. That is important, so very important. And let me read. Welcome, Little Reader's Nook has joined us. Shipra says, right, Divya, we have mirrors everywhere after children come in our lives. So true. And welcome to Parenting with Mitu. Thank you for joining us and cheering us on this Diwali morning. And yes, another important question, you being a doctor, health and fitness play a big role in the well-being of every mom. Like really, like being born in a patriarchal society, in a society like typical Indian family, we are taught, or we have watched our parents to be the last. First the family, and the husband, the partner, in-laws, our parents. And when it comes to our own health and well-being, that is the last. So what according do you think that's right, and what are some of the practices to follow, Divya, to stay healthy and both mentally and physically also? Please share with us some tips that you do.
So, Sarita, the fact, when once you know the facts, na, you take actions accordingly. So, the first most important fact is after 30, 35, हमारा estrogen कम हो जाएगा, calcium कम हो जाएगा. That's a fact. अगर ये mind में बैठ गया, then you automatically start improving how to gain your calcium, how to gain your strength back, how to be more active. And kabhi, even you would have seen changes. Ki sometimes I was able to concentrate, but why I am not able to concentrate? This my mind was not like this because there is some deficiency of vitamins and minerals takes place as we age. We forget, especially this 30 to 50 wala age. We tend to forget that we are growing towards this end. So हम भूल जाते हैं. So having a good balanced diet is important, and 1 hour for yourself. Either do physical training or you do strength training, gym karo ya yoga karo, anything, walking karo, cardio karo. 1 hour for yourself. It will release dopamine or khushi, well, happiness, happy hormones will be released. This will help you automatically in doing other chores of your life happily. तो खुशी के साथ करोगे बिकॉज यू नो द फर्स्ट आवर ऑफ द डे यू हैव डन समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ कि मैंने अपने लिए कुछ कर लिया, मैंने अपने लिए योगा कर लिया, मैंने अपने लिए एक्सरसाइज कर लिया. नो आई एम रेडी टू, जो भी आ जाए मेरे सामने, आई एम रेडी टू फेस. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट for women to spend 1 hour for themselves every day, at least 5 days a week. अगर 7 दिन नहीं हुआ तो 5 days तो compulsory. ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था सरिता. I never knew. I never took being in health industry since my age of 18. I didn't know इतना importance. सबको have told everyone but never focused on my health because health is always good. हाँ क्यों करना why? But नहीं, it hit me after motherhood. No, I should start working on myself. खुद का केयर करना तभी तो कुछ बता पाएंगे ना किसी को कि तुम भी केयर करो. If I'm not taking care of my health, how will I tell others?
Correct,
So
correct.
that's important.
So that
1 hour of exercise
1 hour,
every day.
1 hour every day. So mothers, Divya says that 1 hour every day is a must. Either do gymming or yoga or whatever, dancing or whatever physical movement you do. That physical. And Divya, can you please talk about mental well-being? How can mothers, focus on that every day? Focus on mental well-being. What
So,
can they do?
see, so since we are exposed to so many things, we are constantly, our brain is, stimulated by so many things.
Yes.
So mental health is always important. So for me, mental health first comes in how easily are you able to move on? कि कुछ हो गया, कुछ discussion हो गया. How easily, I mean, earlier it used to take me weeks or months, but now maybe 1 घंटा, maybe एक half an hour, ठीक है, आधा घंटा feel हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद you come back to your normal life. So how easily you are able to forgive people and how easily you are able to move on. But remember the lessons. Try not to repeat the same things. तो forgive करना बहुत important है. Not for them, it's for us. अपना baggage कम हो जाएगा उनको forgive कर देने से. We will be relieved. We will be. I mean, already we have so much baggage. और वो भी हम ले लेंगे तो कैसे हो जाएगा?
Right.
So that is important. And second thing, even the stuff what you see, reels जो भी है, इसमें भी ट्राई फीडिंग गुड स्टफ. इतना सब कुछ बकवास भरा है इंटरनेट पे. आई विल लाइक कस्टमाइज योर फीड एंड ट्राई वॉचिंग व्हाट यू लाइक एंड व्हाट यू नीड बिकॉज अब देयर इज नथिंग लाइक कि हम नई मोबाइल देखेंगे. आई विल नॉट गिव माई चाइल्ड मोबाइल. नथिंग लाइक दैट. तो कुछ भी टॉपिक कुछ भी आता है मोबाइल में, इट कैन affect our health. Anything, especially if the statement is just related to your current scenario of life. सपोज आज ही आपके साथ में कुछ चल रहा है और तभी आपने एक रील देख ली कि सेम वैसे ही उसने बोला है. वो इफेक्ट करता है हमारे माइंड पे. एंड द सेम थिंग कैरी इन आवर फैमिली ऑल्सो कि नहीं नहीं ऐसे करने से ऐसे हो जाएगा. अभी वी कैरी आवर ओन नो वी विल थिंक कि अरे नहीं ऐसे करने से ऐसे हो जाएगा और फिर हमारी इनसिक्योरिटीज कैरी करेंगे हम. इट कैन लीड टू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. तो बहुत
सही बात है because the moment my खुद का experience I'm telling, the moment we have some time or we are feeling low, instead of talking out that emotion to the concerned person, what we go and do is go to the reel and passively we try to look out solution, distract our mind and कुछ भी reels and we relate to it and then we carry that same energy back to us and back to our family. Instead of calling out that emotion and talking it out to whoever concerned or spending time with yourself, that's a better way to deal. That is so important.
One practice I follow for mental tension and confusion, using a pen. लिख लो जो भी है, लिख लो. Whatever, जो भी बुक रहेगा मेरे सामने, I will just write down जो भी चल रहा है. क्योंकि we are women, we have our different connections in our brain. हम काम कर रहे हैं but 100 things are going behind the brain. तो I write down करने से क्या हो जाएगा, all सब पेपर पे आ गया ना. now focus फिर से बैक पे आ जाएगा. तो this pen and paper are so important weapons of our life. कि कुछ भी हो जाए, टेंशन हो जाए, खुशी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, राइट डाउन. जैसा भी आ रहा है वैसा भी लिख दो. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू रीड दैट. लिखो. तो दैट वर्क्स. इट वर्क्स फॉर मी at least.
Yes, scribing really works, and thank you. That is so important for mothers who are listening. Whenever you're dealing something, Dr. Divya recommends that scribe it, write it, take a pen and paper and write it. You need not show anybody, just write it. All emotions into it instead of going numb or keeping it within. Just pour it out so that it gets out of your system. That's so important. I feel this important tip. Please take it back. That is the one thing you're taking back from today's conversation back into your life. Thank you, Divya, for sharing that.
Thank you.
Welcome, Amal Muralidharan. Thank you so much for joining us. Yes. So continuing, and the next important question, Divya, time management. You are a professional, you're a mother, and so much more you do in life. How do you manage your time to fit in all your passions and responsibilities as well? Can you
So,
please share?
Sarita, time is enough for your work, your family,
Mm,
actually.
mm,
24 hours is enough.
mm,
The time management comes when you want to do something extra.
mm.
Extra के लिए time चाहिए. So
हाँ,
extra is your passion, right?
correct.
Well, extra is your other learning, your self development, your anything other programs or whatever. सब वो सब extra में आता है.
सही
So
है.
if I feel that that is important to me, आज मैंने ये course कर रही हूँ, I think this requires more time other than my work and this, I will get up early in the morning. 1 घंटे की नींद sacrifice हो जाएगी.
Hmm.
Yeah, so Saturdays and Sundays, weekends are there. We'll utilize the weekends to complete those.
Yeah.
So I recently completed 200 hours yoga training
Wow.
certification. तो पहले ऐसे ही लगा था क्या करूंगी मैं 200 आवर्स में, पर मुझे है इंटरेस्ट, आई वांट टू डू इट, पर कैसे, हाउ विल आई डू इट? तो सुबह सुबह की बैच ज्वाइन कर ली, 5 बजे की, 7 बजे के पहले कोई नहीं उठता है, तो खत्म कर लिया. और वो करने के बाद ना बाकी काम में भी बहुत मजा आ जाता है सरिता. लाइक when you follow your passion ना, even at one step at a time भी कर रहे हो ना, बहुत खुशी हो जाती है. तुम्हें कोई कुछ भी बोल देना, आप मुझे बोल दो 2 + 2 is 5, I am happy. Yes, it is 5.
Absolutely, absolutely agree with you. That is such another important point that you've highlighted, that when you pursue your passion, no matter how busy you are, work and family is always there. And of course, that will be number one priority always. But pursuing your passion will take your journey of work and family to another level, is what Dr. Divya says. And taking out time for your passion, am I right?
Yes.
Is important too. It is not like ever really focus on that. So welcome,
But
Arun.
in this meanwhile इसमें क्या हो जाता है, you tend to कुछ phone calls कम हो जाते हैं, कुछ public gatherings कम हो जाती
हाँ,
है. But if those people really matter to you, फिर से आपके connection में ही रहेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि they will leave. अरे तुमने नहीं आए मेरे birthday पे तो तुम नहीं हो
हाँ,
मेरे friend. ऐसे नहीं होता है.
हाँ,
If they are genuine, if they know that you are genuine and they are genuine, तुम्हारा connection कहीं नहीं जाएगा. Some people are scared of that. I've seen many of my friends do like that. अरे नहीं वो फील हो जाएंगे, we have to go
हम्म,
there. नहीं नहीं मैं आज की क्लास मिस कर देती हूँ, मुझे वो फंक्शन ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. पर नहीं, अगर तुम्हारा सच में, if you are having a good relationship with them, do your yoga class, tell them, go 2 hours late and tell them मेरा क्लास था. They will happily accept you because they want you in your life. तो ये हमें थोड़ा बदलना पड़ेगा, ये सोच थोड़ी.
yes, yes.
अपने आप को प्रायोरिटाइज करो.
अपने आप को prioritize करो. That I will hold on to that, and I'll come to that question later. But before that, money, relationship with money, Dr. Divya. Money can be a complex topic, and how do you
बड़ा
view your
topic है.
how do you view your relationship?
Money, money is such a big topic, Sarita. Money has done wonders to me, Sarita.
Mm-hmm.
Money has gotten in me those wings which I never thought I had. वो पर निकला है मेरे.
Yes.
ठीक है. I am not a spendthrift. I am not very बहुत कम spending ऐसे भी नहीं. I am a very wise spender and an intelligent spender.
Mm.
And very early in my life, I started earning after my marriage. And very early in my life, my husband taught me investment, thanks to Mr. Rajesh Jetu. He taught me investment. So his basic rule is whatever you are earning minus your investment will be your expenditure. तो हम पहले इन जनरल हमारा माइंडसेट क्या है, अर्न करो, स्पेंड करो, जो बचता है उसमें डालो, किसी में डालो. बट नो, हिज द वे वाज दैट. इनिशियली आई यूज्ड टू नो कि व्हाट ही इज सेइंग लाइक दिस, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. लाइफ इज short, we got to enjoy,
Yes.
spend and fulfill your dreams, ऐसे था. But after 9 years of my marriage, I'm realizing investment is so important. क्योंकि anything can happen. your job में go, you cannot have, कभी finance नहीं भी आ सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yes.
So this investment concept has been चला गया है, घुस गया है. So whatever I get, I will first invest and then only I will spend. And spend it wisely on everything. Travel पे spend करना है, कपड़ों पे करना है, जो भी करना है. So I spend it wisely and not a spendthrift. And money is very important to women. For a long time, women were not earning, right? And they never had, even if they were earning, they never had that independence to spend it themselves or manage it themselves. So there are very good books, finance books written by Mrs. Monica Helen करके हैं. She's a very good financial advisor. तो अच्छे books पढ़ो and सब अपने इंडियन फीमेल्स का मेंटालिटी के रिलेटेड ही सब लिखा रहता है. Like even if the gold purchases, no, Indian women are so much into gold and other things. So everything, how you got to divide your money, how everything. तो yes, it is very important. Money का relationship अगर strong हो ना तो happy रहते हो. It's very important. Investment is very important.
Yes.
Should do.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for another takeaway. And mothers highly recommend whatever you earn or whatever money you get. What Divya says is first put it in some investment cards, any kind of investment, whether it will be a gold, whether it will be your shares, stock, or whatever investments you want to do to it. And I feel a very important takeaway. This is from today's talk. Thanks, Divya, for sharing. And can you please share the book name once again?
This is Monica Helen. You know, it's by Monica Helen. All the investment, many books are there by Mrs. Monica Helen. Yes. I'll share the name.
If you want to connect more with Divya, you can always, I'll be linking down her page. You can always get in touch with her and she'll be happy to help you out in any kind of DM her. And moving on from money to now spiritual journey, what please can you tell us more about your spiritual journey and how can you share your message about it to the world?
Yes, my spiritual journey started. So I had just done my MBBS and I was preparing for my post-graduation exams. My daughter was born in between, and just when she was just 1 year old, I had to leave her and go. And इस बीच में when she was just throwing tantrums, and मैंने at that time I was a very unhealed mother. I was preparing for my own exams. I was not ready also for that pregnancy and thing. So I told her, I'm just going to leave you. You're just irritating me. I'm just going to leave you. For that 1 year old child, उसको क्या समझ में आता है? And you know what, Sarita? उसके 2 महीने में I cleared my exam and I had to go to a different city, leaving her here at the age of 1 year.
Okay.
And जाने के बाद I was so confused. Am I happy or क्या है? What am I doing with my life? मुझे करियर करना था, करियर के लिए आ गए. And you said you're going to leave her, तुम leave करके आ गए. That is what every day I used to cry, get emotional. But since I got my post graduation now, so I got to focus on that. And is beach mein I found Sadhguru's inner engineering. So धीरे धीरे that journey started, self development started, books खरीदने लगी मैं self help के. And तब realization आया कि this is bound to happen. ये होना ही था, इसीलिए अभी I'll come back, I'll go back stronger, है ना? And बीच में COVID भी था, which made things very worse. I could not come to home to meet her. So it was a journey जहाँ पे मेरा development हो गया. And by the time I came after 3 years, I was completely different. I can say. I was completely more accepting because I have accepted myself as completely. जैसे भी मैं हूँ, जैसे भी मैं दिखती हूँ, जैसे भी मैं सोचती हूँ, whatever are my plus minus, I have accepted them completely in these 3 years. क्योंकि I had time because I had only studies and nothing else. तो बाकी जो time था I used for my self development. I got introduced to many spiritual gurus also by my friends. तो meditation भी सीखा मैंने and meditation is a crucial part of my life. मेरा पूरा mental clutter clear हो जाता है meditation से. So these things helped. And in which इसके बाद तो enlightenment came, then कोचिंग सर्टिफिकेशन के उसके बाद तो लाइफ की तो बस अभी बादल पे पाव है अभी तो.
you are equipped with the tools and techniques and
अभी और क्या चाहिए सच्ची. I'm blessed. और वो मिलना भी तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ना सरिता की राइट गाइडेंस राइट बुक्स राइट पीपल मिलना भी इम्पोर्टेंट है राइट मेंटर्स मिलना भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. I'm blessed since I was seeking and I got them and I'm truly blessed.
Yes, as it goes, ask and you shall receive it. And since you asked for it, that is important. When you ask, you do get it. Whatever path you're seeking, you get that. So true. And coming back to your, like how you said, focusing on yourself is so important. So self-love is often something we forget to practice, especially when you get into the motherhood journey, because it is such a overwhelming thing. Already your hands are full of cards, and motherhood ka jo card aata hai, tabhi it's a total different, because as you say, your heart walks out and your focus is so much more into that So at this time, how have you cultivated self-love in your life, and why do you think it is so important for mothers from your point of view?
Self-love is important, Sarita, because first thing what comes in self-love is self-acceptance.
Hmm.
So many women are still not accepted themselves only. तो बच्चे को कैसे accept करोगे ना?
Hmm.
तुम खुद को ही accept नहीं किया है अभी तक. How can you accept the child?
Yeah.
तो first thing is self-love, self-acceptance. जैसा भी मैं हूँ वैसे I got to accept myself and I should love myself because this is a creation by God itself. I have not created this. God has created this. So
Correct.
self-love. तो आई विल टेल सेल्फ लव के बारे में कि नॉट ओनली जस्ट गेटिंग योर फेस डन, हेयर डन, सेल्फ लव वो जितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, इनर वर्ल्ड हमारा इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है. तुम्हारी अंदर की चैटर कैसी है, तुम कैसे बात करते हो अपने आप से. आर यू ऑलवेज स्कोल्डिंग योर सेल्फ और आर यू ऑलवेज ट्रीटिंग योर सेल्फ लाइक बिग एंजल और एनीथिंग, और कैसे अपने आप से कैसे बातें करते हो. हाउ अर्ली यू आर एबल टू मूव ऑन, हाउ अर्ली आर यू एबल टू फॉरगिव. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड अगर मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसे होता है कि सम माई सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट इज गेटिंग हैम्पर्ड और कुछ भी, सपोज आई
Hmm.
फील लाइक दैट,
Hmm.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई राइट डाउन द सिचुएशन. मेरा तो यही है. एंड मैं बचपन से ये पकड़ा दिया मुझे, तो
हाँ.
यही है मेरा.
हाँ.
I'll write down ki what made them think like that, or what is the part in me which has not yet healed. What is it that I got to focus on me ki मैं and it's not important कि everybody should be satisfied with you. थोड़े enemies भी तो होने चाहिए ना. अभी सब थोड़ी ना सेम जैसे होंगे. सब अपने जैसे ही रहेंगे. It will be so boring ना सरिता कि सब एक जैसे, nothing, no newness, no everything. It will be so boring.
Yes.
तो सबका अपना है. You must understand what place they are coming from.
हाँ.
If they are coming from a very bad place than you should be more humble to them. You should give them more kindness. Because उनकी जर्नी तुम्हारी जैसी नहीं रही है. They have faced so much. That is why उनमें सिर्फ वही है.
Hmm.
तो भले दुनिया कुछ भी बोल दे, तुम्हें अपने आप को वो जाने नहीं देना. You now tell me दिव्या, you are a very bad person. I should not be getting inside this. यहाँ तक आ गया, उसके बाद उसको फिल्टर करो और अंदर ले लो.
Hmm. Hmm.
उसको कैसे लेना है अंदर, वो मेरे ऊपर है. तो
True.
इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इनर केयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अपनी थिंकिंग, अपने माइंड पे ट्रस्ट करो और अच्छी डिसीजंस लेने के लिए एवरीडे प्रे फॉर दैट. प्रे फॉर योर माइंड, गुड माइंड, बिकॉज माइंड कैन मेक यू एनीथिंग. तुम्हें ऐसे भी लेके जा सकता है, ऐसे भी लेके जा सकता है.
Absolutely.
तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड छोटे छोटे सेल्फ लव प्रैक्टिसेस तो करने चाहिए. लाइक माई मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई टेल यू, आई रिसेंटली गॉट टू नो कि जो अपने 5 सेंसेस है ना सरिता, द
Hmm.
5 सेंसेस, if you activate any of the 5 senses when you are anxious, suppose कुछ भी हो, like tension हो रहा है, if you start feeling like a tissue है यहाँ पे, I'm just feeling this tissue and I'm getting connected with it, nervous system calms down, automatically calms down.
Hmm.
अगर कुछ अच्छा सुन लिया, कुछ अच्छा सुन लिया, nervous system calms down. कुछ अच्छा खा लिया, nervous system calms down. कुछ अच्छा स्मेल कर लिया, गेट दैट एरोमा ऑयल्स बहुत सारे हैं ना, कुछ भी लगा लो, एंड आवर नर्वस सिस्टम कम्स डाउन. तो ये 5 सेंसेस में कुछ भी एक्टिवेट कर लो. एटलीस्ट कहीं भी बैठे हो, जस्ट हाथों से ना वो फील करते रहो कुछ भी. योर नर्वस सिस्टम calms down और एंग्जाइटी ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जाती है एंड यू विल टेक द राइट डिसीजंस. योर माइंड विल डू द राइट थिंग.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thanks, Divya, for sharing. And lastly, that tip of, connect to your 5 senses. Whenever you're feeling action, one of your senses, if you connect, you tend to calm down at that moment. So everything is there within us. So we cannot change the world. The change begins first from ourselves within, right? As Gandhi said. Um, totally agree. And thank you for sharing your insights.
Thank you.
And back to the way I can come to see that this is not just about you. How about I can see the richness of your family relationships all around you. Like it is such a huge part of our lives and your life too. And could you share some insights, like whatever you did achieve till now, how strong your family support, and share something about your bonds with your family and what family means to you. Yeah.
तो फैमिली इज द बेस. घर का जो बेसमेंट बनता है वो फैमिली ही है. नो, नीदर योर करियर, नीदर योर जॉब, मनी, कुछ भी
Right.
नहीं है. फैमिली ये बेस ठीक है, बाकी सब आ जाता है लाइन में.
True, true.
And talking about family, we have our own differences, but how we are moving ahead with our own differences is what makes us, go ahead and accepting each other. And एक most important thing है कि having healthy boundaries.
Hmm.
मतलब बच्चे और मदर के बीच में भी हेल्दी बाउंड्रीज होनी चाहिए.
Hmm.
आई व्हेन आई हैव माय कॉफी ना, आई टेल यू, आई माय डॉटर विल टेल दैट कि हाँ अच्छा अच्छा, अभी मम्मा को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. ओके ओके, इट्स हर अलोन टाइम, इट्स हर मी टाइम. तो इवन शी हैज स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दैट वर्ड मी टाइम. मम्मा इट्स माय मी टाइम. क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए, बिकॉज मुझे कुछ सोचना है अभी. यू आई जस्ट टेल हर आई वांट माय मी टाइम नाउ, प्लीज मुझे डिस्टर्ब मत कर. तो शी विल बी लाइक दैट कि हाँ इट्स योर मी टाइम, आई नो. तो मुझे जो चाहिए था वो इनकलकेट कर दिया सब में. तो है, स्पेस इम्पोर्टेंट है, बाउंड्रीज इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Hmm.
और हर एक का अपना अपना एक चॉइस रहता है. तो इस बार एक की चॉइस हो गई तो अगली बार उसकी चॉइस करनी चाहिए.
Hmm.
लाइक माय हस्बैंड लाइक्स टू डू ट्रेकिंग अ लॉट. तो जाते हैं, वी गो फॉर ट्रैक्स, बट आई फील कि मुझे ट्रैक नहीं करना है, नेचर में बैठना है, शांति से मेडिटेशन करना है, मोर सिटिंग एंड काम, ऐसे हर हश वुश नहीं करना है, लाइक दैट. तो एक दिन वो कर लिया, तो एक दिन वो कर लिया. एंड सम माय डॉटर विल बी लाइक मुझे किड्स जोन जाना है, मुझे वो तो सबके अपने अपने प्रायोरिटीज है. समटाइम्स पेरेंट्स के भी प्रायोरिटीज आते हैं.
Yes.
तो इस बार हमारा हो गया तो दूसरी बार उसका हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट लीव योर फैमिली बिहाइंड एंड गो अहेड. क्या करोगे ना अकेले जाके ग्रो होके. एंड विद दिस नोट आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस माय टू सुपर पीपल of
Yes.
my life. My two super women who have supported me during my COVID life, raising my daughter happily. And इतना support कर दिया है कि now my daughter can live either with either of them. मेरी जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ती है introducing.
Yes. Please go ahead and introduce the two remarkable women in your life.
My mother-in-law, Mrs. Girija Jaddu.
Oh, hello,
I'm
Ms. Girija.
My
Thank you so much.
my mother, Mrs. Ramani.
Oh,
hello.
hello, Ms. Ramani. Thank you,
And
remarkable.
my yeah, and my daughter too. Super
Hello.
women.
Oh, this is such a privilege. My eyes are welling up. So beautiful. This is like, being a family coach. I totally resonate how you're saying that the family is the base. Once that is
Yes.
formed, everything is maintained and everything comes with pros and cons, and how you deal with it and understand with each other. Thank you so much for joining us. And would you like to say something about Divya? Please share कीजिए आप. कुछ भी बोलिए आपके लाइफ में.
Happy Diwali, ma'am.
Happy Diwali to you too. Super happy Diwali to you and your family.
Happy Diwali, Amma.
Happy Diwali, Amma. Happy Diwali. Divya के बारे में you want to say something? You can
Yes.
share in Telugu also.
Yes.
Whatever.
A lot is there, but now time limit is there.
Yeah.
So she's really very understanding and very sweet daughter-in-law. And because of her, we are very happy. And even us also.
Put your leg properly.
Yeah, our family also is a huge family, but we used to be like that way, and now my daughter-in-law also, and that's what we can say happily. And now for this Diwali, always now we are celebrating together. Mom, dad,
Every Diwali we
our
celebrate.
brother, all together.
Super.
Diwali either here or in their place or in Nasik. We stay in Nasik. So in any place we all are together.
Thank
So
you.
when we are
Thank you.
together, we feel very happy, and everybody in the house can stay happily.
Yes, God bless you all. It speaks a lot when you come in the same frame, and I can see the
She's
glow
not
and happiness. Shows.
everything.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And Auntie, would you like to share something about this?
हम सब खुश है, सब लोग खुशी
Yes.
रहना है. हमारा बेटी बहुत खुशी है, दामाद पूरा फैमिली, फुल फैमिली हम लोग बहुत हैप्पी.
Thank you for your share. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके. Thank you. And your little one, Divya, I would let you go. You have to share with your beautiful rose and your beautiful smile. Please share something.
Happy Diwali.
Diwali, darling. You're looking so cute. So tell me about your me time. Does your mom give you me time as she shared?
Yes, every day I have a me time.
You are growing so wonderful. God bless you and keep sharing your magic and spreading your magic everywhere. Thank you so much for being a part of today's Insta Live. And
Yes, thank you, Sarita. Thank you so much for inviting me. And this already the house is full of in the happy aura, I can say. And speaking about you, one to two words, you have an amazing aura. मतलब जो भी 5 minute I had spent time with you, आपके aura में कोई भी आ जाता है, the person feels blissful.
But
मतलब
where is
कुछ तो है.
Pooja?
I think
But
angels
where is-
carry something with them जो बता नहीं सकते.
Mama, where is Pooja?
very
So Pooja.
yes, I got it. So, Divya, thank you so much for sharing such valuable insights and leaving us with joy and about sharing about your life, sharing about your family, and it brought so much of joy in me, and I'm sure our viewers and whoever listens to this Instagram, I'm sure they're going to get a little gold nuggets which they can pick up in their life and apply in their life. And I'm praying and God to shower more blessings on your family.
Thank you,
And
sir.
thank you for the privilege of your time. And God
Thank
bless
you.
you. Impact
Thank you.
the way you impact the world. Keep sharing your love and impacting your life throughout. Thank you, Divya. God bless you.
Thank you, Sarita, for inviting and having all of us in the small screen.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Love
Love
you
you.
and hope this adds
Love you.
value to the world.
All right.
Yes.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, Sarita.
Bye.